Guys, we just lost somebody else. We lost our friend, Sky. He was,
Or her.
yeah, she was a,
Really cute fly.
yes. And I picked her up first, but Bianca saw her first, and then she wanted to pick Sky up, and then there's a little scaredy cat somewhere there, and he was really tough. He's always really tough, but now he's not tough.
He didn't want to help us. Is that another fly?
Oh, guys. Oh God, I forgot we saw another.
Wait, I got another dead fly. Where? Guys, you kind of really scared me though. Where?
Guys, we almost saw another. Guys, we almost saw another dead fly. You guys believe it? But luckily, it was not a fly.
What is that? I'm trying to kill it.
Dog.
Give it a funeral. I hope we find another dead thing.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna say bye for this, and we'll see you all later tomorrow. And guys, guys, if we get 10 likes, we'll do a sleepover.
Yeah.
Or 1 like. If we have 1 like, we'll do a sleepover. And hit that subscribe button, please.
Yes, because I need to get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm only at 4,000. I need 5,000.
Please. Guys, just share this video, please. Just share
Share
it.
this video with your friends.
Yeah, if they can't watch YouTube, just don't send them to them.
Or just go to their house or ask them to come over and just watch it with them.
Yeah.